Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word negotiable. Let's practice together. Negotiable. Is the price negotiable? The deadline is negotiable. Terms are negotiable. This offer is negotiable. Salary is negotiable. The contract is negotiable. Are the conditions negotiable? Negotiable terms help us agree. We can make the price negotiable. Is the delivery date negotiable? Negotiable options improve deals. The budget is negotiable. Negotiable agreements save time. Are payment terms negotiable? Negotiable offers attract clients. The schedule is negotiable. Negotiable deals benefit both sides. Is the contract length negotiable? Negotiable terms require discussion. We offer negotiable payment plans. Negotiable conditions improve trust. Is the delivery time negotiable? Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share VocabStick. See you again in tomorrow's video.